This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive.
Bad, cause it bit bad, short with the bad, like chips at the front, this fuck, I'm fly like a pelican in my bed, I get my way, hella quick, they get to hook up on the elephant, cut my trunk, yeah, it's in the front, of course it's in the back, it's a big, it's a real big difference, you just want a club, I just need them racks, you just wanna party, I just wanna rock stars.
So today we're back at Ken's Auto and we're going to be working on the Caprice. Got some cool stuff going on. So today we're going to put in reverse cups. We're going to put in some 4.5 ton Black Magic Sky High coils. And then Lizarde Hydraulics made up these awesome brackets to weld to the frame so I can hook up my trampoline springs. And you can see he did an awesome job with these. This is a test. So if these work out well, Lizarde Hydraulics will be selling kits for the trampoline springs for your lowriders. So we got the rims off the car, and we're just going to take the hoses off, plug the hoses, and then cap the fitting on top of the cylinder. And then we'll take apart the upper ball joints. All right, so we've cleaned up the frame a little bit here for this bracket. Obviously, it's gonna go in place like that. So I still gotta clean the top side of the frame where that's gonna weld. But so far it's looking good. So we're at our club meeting today. I got Louis with me, got Kenny here. So one of the first things today that I wanted to talk about, obviously Louis, we really appreciate you and we love you. So what we wanted to do today to reward you for your loyalty to the club, we actually got you a set of rims.
Oh yeah, right.
Oh really? Check this out. Check it out. Yeah, that's why I was asking you about what you wanted. So.
Yeah, right, man. I just told you what the fuck is up,
There you go, man. So enjoy them. Take care of them. Yeah, we appreciate it, man.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna something as soon as possible. Yeah.
You like those wheels?
Yeah, this is official. I like them a lot. 100 spokes. Oh yeah.
Those white walls come clean too?
Oh yeah.
Did you clean them?
No, they came clean.
White?
Yeah. Yeah, it was all wrapped up on a pallet, all ready to go.
Yeah, that was nice too, the way they came.
Yeah.
Should I keep that guy? Does that guy sell a lot of rims?
Yeah, he does. He's on eBay.
That's impressive.
All right, so we got the mounts on both sides. He has the passenger side, and that's ready to go. And as you can see, the bottom of it's open with the bolt. So we're just going to use a longer bolt on this chain bracket and then hook our springs. Hopefully we can get 3 of them on here, and we should be good. And here's the driver's side, ready to go.
Hey, go stand beside your car.
What's up?
Go stand beside your car.
Yeah.
Might as well get the, at least the,
Yeah, because I was just gonna have him facing us.
yeah.
So I was just gonna have him do the oath, and then he's officially sworn. So you can come in.
Huh? Yeah,
Come
yeah.
in closer.
Oh yeah, we're in there,
Pick up. James, what's up, brother?
I'm just hanging out.
Awesome. Awesome. So I'm here with Kenny and Louie.
What's up, man?
Kenny, Louie, my name's James, man. It's really nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you too.
So James.
Yeah, so we're gonna get you sworn in. So I'll just have you put up your right hand and just repeat the oath, and you're officially sworn as a member of the club.
Alrighty. I, James, Jumpin' James Beneventi, having been selected to advance in rank as a full sworn member of Eternal Rollers and Club Brother, do solemnly swear to follow all club rules, regulations, and lawful requests of club leadership. I will serve the club and support all members of the club. I will be a member of integrity and honor, responsible for my actions, and will always be true to my word. I will always respect the club, its founders, leadership, members, and club colors. The oath I swear under free will, sound mind, and in truth as a member of Eternal Rollers, so help me God.
Oh, congratulations! You're official. Welcome to the club.
Welcome, man.
Very excited.
Welcome, man.
Yeah,
Nice.
so you know, I'll be in touch with you obviously about getting you set up with get you a shirt, you know, work on getting you a plaque and stuff like that. So we'll get going on that. But right now we're working on the Caprice. So hopefully I'll be hopping it in a little bit. So I'll get some new video footage and everything.
Did you present the rims yet?
Yes. Good thing we did that first. Yeah, we did that earlier, so yeah, it's all good.
That's so rad.
Yep.
Well, hey, it was really nice to meet everybody. Kenny, I've been really enjoying watching your build.
Oh, thank you.
On the club page.
Yeah.
Looking forward to seeing you hop today, Jay.
Yep.
And I'll be in touch, man. I can't thank you enough. Let me in the ranks, giving me a shot.
You're welcome.
All right. Well,
All
be in touch. Talk to you.
All right. Take care. All right. So got the spring back in. Got the cylinder back in. Up. All right. So we got the springs attached to the mount. We took the bolt out of the lower control arm, so now we need to get these guys down where they need to be, down there. These are 7.5 inch trampoline springs, so I'll start out with this and see how that does. So the driver's side is done. It's an 8.5 inch spring in the front, 7.5 in the rear. All right, let's put her back on the ground. All right, so we're gonna hop her, gonna test this out, make sure that everything is good.
That's better.
All right, let's get you loaded up.
Maybe one aside. Best thing about this is
All right, so the Caprice is absolutely doing better. Obviously, I got some fine tuning and tweaking to do on the setup and things like that on the car, but I'm definitely catching up. I'm getting there. Not bad for somebody who does my own shit. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give the video a like. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.